Come. Pickup, this off-road pickup. It's very strong and tall. 2022 off-road pickup. AT type, very good. If you want the pickup off-road everything. It's easy lay down here. The board is very big. You can put anything inside. It's very easy and tall. 2022 pickup. It's very clean and tidy. I really like this black interior. You can change any version you want. This is off-road version. This is economic version. This is a turn back by itself. Here is the front rock and roll rock, very strong. Automatic transmission and big sunroof. It's full option, very nice. Wow, very big spacious. 2020B and USB here. Air condition very cool. Have high air intake and metal. This have range. Whatever the road, you can finish it by 2022 off-road pickup. One has a real cover, the other no cover. Which one do you prefer? Please tell me in comment. If you like the pickup from China from our company, please contact me, call me and message me. Let's us make the money together. We win together.